Suzuki's Supermotard model, based on the proven DRZ400S, combines Supermotard style and features in a narrow, lightweight, street-legal package. Versatile and strong, 398cc, DOHC, liquid-cooled, dry-sump engine has push-button starting. Supermoto boasts fully adjustable MX-style suspension plus high-grip sportbike tires on strong spoke wheels featuring anodized, aluminum Excel rims. Both the Grand Blue and Solid Black or the Solid Black bodywork feature new graphics packages that complement the motorcycle's styling and mission. Lightweight, 398cc, DOHC, liquid-cooled, dry-sump engine produces strong, tractable power. Compact, 4-valve cylinder head. Simple electric starting is powered via a lightweight starter motor with an automatic mechanical decompression system. Long travel, Showa inverted front fork is derived from the RM250 and features adjustable compression, rebound damping and a special coating on inner tube surfaces for smooth action. Wide blue or black anodized RK-XL aluminum rims with stainless steel spokes are fitted with sporty radial tires. A fully adjustable rear shock absorber with high, low-speed compression damping adjuster and a tapered room-inspired aluminum swing arm combine for precise rear wheel control. Renthal tapered aluminum handlebar has an aggressive look, reduces vibration, and has a great bend for spirited riding. Chrome moly steel frame tuned for Supermotard style riding is traditionally strong with minimal weight. The backbone tube, front down tube, and steering head gussets form the dry-sump engine oil tank. Compact, digital instrument cluster includes speedometer, odometer, twin trip meters with addition, subtraction capability, clock, and stopwatch functions. Strong braking performance is supplied by a front disc brake with a large 300mm floating type rotor and dual piston caliper plus a 240mm rear disc brake with a single piston caliper.